As companies are looking to report their environmental and social governance activities, we're seeing more and more now our clients are looking to decommission in an ethical and efficient way. Circular economy principles essentially entail maximising the benefit of reusing or repurposing materials. So Australian companies have the capabilities to provide bespoke solutions to unique problems globally.
The transition to net zero is a very important factor in all businesses, especially oil and gas. The UK has a huge decommissioning schedule out there, so the more learnings that are adopted and shared, the better it will be for all companies. And the companies who buy into it first should be leading that charge and setting the bar higher and higher.
We're an Australian-based decommissioning, recycling and disposal company focusing on services in the oil and gas, mining, energy, defence and manufacturing sectors. Decommissioning is an important step in the transition to net zero. Specifically in the oil and gas sector, the operators are now looking to transition into new energies, and before any of the operators look at offshore wind and new energy projects, they first have to decommission and dispose of their high carbon producing assets. We're dealing with really dangerous materials, hazardous wastes, radiation material, and the potential for explosions and leakage is high, so therefore we have to build these really robust safety systems to deliver the project successfully. And I think that's where Australia sets itself apart, is we're operating under really strict parameters and we have to do it dynamically in a remote area. The success of the Northern Producer project for Liberty Industrial has been a really good stepping stone for us to then leverage into markets in Europe and North America.
A vast array of materials were reused, and that includes marine growth used as fertilisation for farmlands. When agreements were being put in place at 95% recycle, they surpassed that and they have got 98% recycling achieved. Zero accidents and no environmental incidents either. To think out of the box and get these materials reused is a great achievement. Australian companies bring a fresh approach, a fresh enthusiasm coming into different zones. Liberty Industrial, they've taken their expertise, they've taken people from Australia, they've trained up local people, so the continuation of the training and learnings can only benefit everybody involved.